Are you prepared to embark on a thriving career in business administration? Search no more. Our Texila American University Bachelor's degree in Business Administration is tailored to meet your needs and aspirations. Build a strong base in general management, accounting, marketing, operations, finance, information technology, and strategy while also having the advantage to select specialized electives that delve into key areas of business. Acquire highly sought-after skills employers value, including a deep understanding of business principles, critical thinking, effective communication, and collaborative teamwork. We emphasize critical management attributes such as business analysis, quantitative reasoning, communication, and interpersonal skills that make students excel in the dynamic business world. The degree will make you industry ready for a various sector, and develops an entrepreneurial spirit to start your own enterprise successfully. Our rigorous curriculum covers core business functions, including leadership, strategy, operations, accounting, and marketing. Unlock pathways to roles such as business analyst, marketing coordinator, project manager, financial analyst, and more. Lay the foundation for long-term career growth and advancement. Join us and embark on a transformative educational journey.